Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we'll be unboxing 30-minute mission. This is a real mobile version, accessory for 30-minute mission kits lah. This is a standard armament vehicle under this category. Its name is real mobile version. So, it's what parts we get, and this is the complete assemble. Then got a wheel mode and hovering mode. Then you can do customize with this part. This is a front and rear view. So we see what inside, then we do the speed book and review. This is a very simple. Okay, 1, 2 got 2 pack and 1 manual. So like image on the box is a wheel mode and hovering mode. So for manual, they start with the wheel mode first. This one. Ini the tire, wheel parts, and complete the wheel mode. Then hovering mode, just change from this wheel mode got 2 tire only, but for hovering mode we got extra 2 tire, so total is 4 tire, 4 wheels. So when we build this one, they show like something like this. When remove one by one, the B, C, this A. So when we remove like this, got G, F, G, D, B, something like that. So we follow the step by step here. Then finally got the hovering mode lah. So as image here, this is if you want to customize with this kit, bicycle rotor, but this one we don't have, so unable to show you lah. So for the first pack, it's a clear part. This for the body, I think. This also for the body, same as here, like this. The main body, this. And lastly, this runner for tire. So I think I will build this after this, and we can do the review later. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.